Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
Another hot one out there today after a relative break from the heat and humidity over the weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at our Tuesday forecast. It may be a degree or two cooler than it was today. Still a sweltering day. We'll wake up to a mild start though. The humidity is still pretty low, and that's going to allow it to cool off very quickly when the sun goes down. We'll start off tomorrow morning in the upper 60s to low 70s, but it will heat up in a hurry. A lot of sunshine at noon, 91 degrees at noon, 96 by 3 p.m. So for all practical purposes, tomorrow will be identical to today, but the humidity will be a little higher, so it is going to feel just a little hotter than it did today. On our time lapse today, really a lot of sunny skies. We had a few cumulus clouds rolling in from the east, courtesy of that easterly wind. All of them really struggling to get any height to them that you would need to get some thunderstorms to form. The only thing big out there right now is our temperature, currently 97 degrees at 7:10 in the evening. That light easterly wind at 5, but the humidity is low. Look at that, 34%. So the feels like temperature relative to the air temperature, only 2 degrees warmer at 99. It is plenty hot though all around the CSRA, especially across the western portion of the area. 98 right now in Thompson, back into Warrenton, 97 for Washington and Lincolnton, middle 90s across South Carolina with our coolest weather right there in Aiken at 91. Our high temperature map around the country shows the hottest weather out to the west for the most part, with the exception of Augusta there at 98. Have 100 there in Dallas, 98 in San Antonio, 94 in New Orleans. Big area of high pressure is centered right in this area. In fact, here's our water vapor imagery. It measures the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. You can see these little areas of moisture rotating around that high. These are upper level disturbances, and when you have this high pressure, this hot scenario we have in place, this is about the only chance of rain you'll have. There is one disturbance moving through North Georgia this evening. That one is too far to the west to affect our area. And the good news for the heat is this high pressure is going to move to the west slowly but surely as the week moves along. By the weekend, it's going to be replaced by an area of low pressure across the east coast. That's going to cool us off and bring a better chance of rain into our forecast. On our satellite picture tonight, you can see those thunderstorms rotating around that big area of high pressure. A few showers up in the upstate of South Carolina. Those are not going to make it into our area. Headed into your Tuesday, surface high pressure is in control. That's going to keep us nice and hot. Maybe a 20% chance of storms tomorrow simply because of the humidity in the air. 30% Wednesday, and then this cold front will come in here late week, and that's when we'll have our best chance of rain Thursday into Friday. Out there tonight, mainly clear, not too humid. 68 the low in Aiken, 74 in Grovetown. For your Tuesday, sunny and hot, a little more humid, but the temperature a little cooler. 95 the high in Aiken, 97 for Grovetown. And there is your 7-day forecast. We are riding a 21-day streak of 90-plus weather, and it looks like we will make that at least 27. We'll see if that 89 really happens next Monday.
27 days. Sounds
It's a
like
long
a movie.
time.
All right, thanks, Chris.